Here I have Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to check out the IMEI and serial number on the following device. Let me show you all methods of the following operation. So at the very beginning, let me show the simple way to check out the IMEI. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and let's use this code. *#06#, and the IMEI number just pops up right here. As you can see here, we've got two IMEI numbers because this is the dual SIM version. Let's tap OK. Now let me show you how to check IMEI and serial by using the settings. So let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Now it's time to find and select the about phone right here. So then let's scroll down one more time, and from the following options you need to choose status, the first option. So here you've got information about the serial number, and you can also here use IMEI information and read the IMEI number. Alright, there is also the third way of checking those information. Let's just press power key right here, choose power off, and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, when the device will be turned off, you need to hold down this combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together those two keys. Let me show you. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as the following screen pops up. As you can see here, you can read the information about your serial number, but you can also here navigate by using both volume keys and confirm by pressing power key, and you may choose the barcodes. So let me press power key to choose barcodes, and that's it. Here you can read the IMEI number, the SKU, the date of release, and the serial number. You may also use the barcodes to this information, and let's press volume down or volume up to quit this mode. Now from the following options, let's choose start and press power key to confirm it. Now the device is booting into a normal mode. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.